Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today we're diving into the financial powerhouse JPMorgan Chase's third quarter 2024 earnings. With impressive net income and robust revenue growth, we'll explore how the firm is navigating the financial landscape and what it means for investors. Stay tuned for an in-depth analysis. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
JPMorgan Chase reported a net income of $12.9 billion for the third quarter of 2024, with a revenue of $43.3 billion, marking a 6% increase from the previous year. The firm saw strong performance in investment banking, with fees up 31%, and asset management, with fees rising 15%. Despite challenges such as geopolitical tensions and economic uncertainties, JPMorgan Chase maintained a strong balance sheet and continued to support consumers and businesses through credit and capital distributions.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $43.3 billion, which is a 6% increase from the same period last year. Compared to the previous quarter, the revenue decreased by 15%.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP earnings per share (EPS) for the current quarter was $4.37, a slight increase from $4.33 in the same period last year, but a decrease from $6.12 in the previous quarter. Non-GAAP EPS is not explicitly mentioned in the article.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Consumer and Community Banking, CCB, saw a 3% decrease in net revenue compared to the previous year, with a notable decline in banking and wealth management. Commercial and Investment Bank experienced an 8% increase in net revenue, driven by a 31% rise in investment banking fees. Asset and Wealth Management reported a 9% increase in net revenue, supported by higher management fees and strong net inflows.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter were $22.6 billion, up 4% from the previous year. Non-GAAP operating expenses are not explicitly mentioned in the article.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
The article does not mention specific strategic initiatives, product launches, or partnerships for the current quarter.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Key risks and challenges include geopolitical tensions, economic uncertainties, large fiscal deficits, infrastructure needs, and the restructuring of trade and remilitarization of the world.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
JPMorgan Chase demonstrated strong financial performance with a profit surge in the third quarter of 2024, driven by robust investment banking and asset management results. Despite facing geopolitical and economic challenges, the firm maintained a strong balance sheet and continued to support its clients and communities.
That's all for today's analysis of JPMorgan Chase's impressive third quarter performance. If you found this video insightful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stockwatch for more financial insights. Let us know in the comments what you think about JPMorgan Chase's future prospects. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.